how to cancel free trial on Google Cloud. Google search for Google Cloud, open up the first website that pops up. Now we will click on console found in the top right corner. From here, once you have the console open, then we will click on the three lines in the top left corner for navigation and just go to billing. Once you go to billing, then it is going to show you your billing account. So click on my billing account and it is going to display all of your projects here. So we just want to go and click on the three dots and then billing account management. Now it is going to show you your project, and what you have to do is to click on the three dots, and here we will just click on disable billing. When you disable billing, any billing activity of your services will stop, and we just want to confirm by clicking on disable billing. Once you have done this, then this is going to disable the free trial. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.